You're staring at the checkout page. One says Pro, the other says Pro Plus. One is $100, the other is $130. On paper, they look almost identical. Both have 6 cores, both have 16 gigs of RAM, so why is QuantVPS charging you an extra $30 a month for a plus sign? Is it just marketing fluff, or is there a ghost in the machine that's actually going to give you better feels? Well, today, we are settling the debate, Pro versus Pro Plus. I've been running both for the last month in the Chicago NY4 data center, and the results, well, they aren't what I expected. Let's get into it. Before we look at the numbers, we have to understand the philosophy. QuantVPS split their lineup into 2 DNA types in 2026, the standard line, which is the Pro plan, and the performance line, which is the Pro Plus. Think of it like cars. The Pro plan is like a high-end semi-truck. It's got an AMD EPYC processor. It's built for heavy lifting, stability, and running 20 things at once without breaking a sweat. The Pro Plus is like a Porsche. It uses the AMD Ryzen architecture. It's built for raw, single-core speed. If you're a manual trader, you might not care. But if you're running NinjaTrader, MetaTrader 5, or a trade copier like Replicano, that architectural difference is the only thing that matters. Let's look at the spec sheet side by side. Let's talk about the CPU. The Pro plan uses AMD EPYC. These are enterprise-grade server chips. They are incredible for uptime, but they have lower clock speeds. The Pro Plus uses the AMD Ryzen 9000 series or the 7950 X3D, depending on the node. Trading platforms like NinjaTrader are notoriously single-threaded. They don't care if you have 64 cores. They care how fast one core can process an incoming tick. Now, in my benchmarks, the Ryzen cores in the Pro Plus clocked in about 20% higher on single-thread passmark scores than the EPYC cores in the standard Pro plan. Then there's the RAM. The Pro plan uses DDR4. It's solid, it's proven, but the Pro Plus gives you DDR5. Why does this matter for trading? Data bandwidth. When the market opens and you're getting thousands of price updates per second across 5 different charts, your RAM is the bottleneck that causes your UI lag. DDR5 moves that data almost twice as fast. If you've ever felt your platform freeze for half a second during a news spike, your RAM was likely the culprit. Now, let's look at the proximity. Both of these servers are located in the same building, the Equinix data center in Chicago. I ran a ping test from both to the CME group matching engine. The Pro was 0.52 milliseconds and the Pro Plus was 0.51 milliseconds. They are identical. You are not paying for a closer location. You are paying for processing speed. Think about it like this. If the data reaches your server in 0.5 milliseconds, but it takes your CPU 2 milliseconds to calculate your strategy and send the order back, your total latency is 2.5 milliseconds. If the Pro Plus processes that same logic in half a millisecond because of the Ryzen chip, your total latency is 1 millisecond. That's where the Pro Plus wins. It's not about the fiber optic cable, it's about the brain of the server. Who should actually buy what? That's why you're here, right? Well, the Pro plan at $90 a month is for you if you are a manual trader using 3 to 5 charts, you run simple set and forget EAs that aren't high frequency, you're trading on a budget, and every $30 counts towards your margin. You primarily trade Forex on MT4 where the tick data isn't as heavy as futures. The Pro Plus plan at $129 a month is for you if you are a futures trader, period. The CME data feed is a fire hose. You need the Ryzen power to handle it. You use trade copiers. If you're copying trades from 1 lead account to 10 prop firm accounts, that sync lag can kill your profit split. You need the DDR5 RAM to keep those orders in sync. You do back testing. In my test, a 1-year optimization run on the Pro Plus finished 15 minutes faster than the standard Pro plan. If you value your time, the $30 pays for itself in one Sunday afternoon session. So, what's the verdict? Well, here's the bottom line. In 2026, trading is an arms race. The institutions are using hardware that makes these look like calculators. If you're just starting out or trading one account, the VPS Pro is more than enough. It's stable, it's fast, and it's better than 99% of your home setups. But if you are trading prop firm capital, specifically multiple accounts, or you're running automated strategies in the futures market, the VPS Pro Plus isn't a luxury. It's actually a necessity. That $30 difference is less than the cost of a single tick of slippage on an ES contract. If the Pro Plus saves you from just one bad fill a month, it has paid for itself. For me, Well, I'm sticking with the Pro Plus for my main execution hub. The peace of mind during high volatility is worth the extra buck a day. Now, I've put links to both plans in the description below. If you use the code FOREST, QuantVPS is going to give you 60% off your first month for your virtual private server. The question is, which one are you going with? Are you a raw power person or a reliable workhorse person? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see how to actually optimize Windows on these servers once you buy them, watch this video right here. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Tell your parents, tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your cousin. DM me. Tell me you subscribed. Tell everyone in my Discord. Join the Discord. Yeah, you're still here. You're still watching the outro of the videos. You're going to join the Discord. Hey, Forrest told me to do this. Okay, you're going to screen record this part of the video. You're going to put it in the Discord link and you're going to tag Soul specifically. He's not going to know what's happening. Tag him. Say, I told you guys to do this. And then comment on the YouTube video. Say that you did that. See you in the next one. Peace.